Hey Tim, what you got going on today?
Well, I'm working with the Stertil Koni wireless mobile columns.
Awesome. Can you tell us a little bit about them?
Yeah, these are made in Streator, Illinois. The steel comes out of northern Indiana, and they're brought over to Streator, Illinois. They're formed, built, welded over there, and they are working out really well for us.
Nice. So what kind of capacity do you got going on this?
These are 18,500 pounds per column. We see a lot of these in like bus garages, transportation centers, municipality. The heavy duty transportation industry is where we see a lot of these. Typically in sets of 4, 6, 6 per bay. Then, you know, depending on what they're working on, we've got some bigger bus transportation places. They'll use up to 8 of them on some of those buses that articulate in the center.
Did you say 8 of them?
Yeah, it's pretty interesting to see. We can actually, with the wireless ones, we can link up to 32 of them together at once.
Nice. So hold on. So you telling me if I got 32 of them, do I gotta go around each one to go up and down with them, or how does that work?
No, they are synchronized wirelessly, and we have this key here. So we'll turn on each individual mobile column and go to each column and just touch this key right here, and it'll make an audible beep. Then we go to each column and come back to where we started, and we'll just drop it. And it'll beep twice and close that network. And once that network's closed, it's a secure network. So I could be using a set of 4 in this bay. If there's another set in this bay over here, they won't work together because this bay is communicated as one. So it's a secure network. We don't have any interference with this, so it's been really trouble-free for us.
Nice. Well, show me a little bit of how they work.
Well, what's unique about the Stertil Koni is our competitors, they have a touch screen, and you'll operate your raising and lowering and the operations on the lift via the touch screen. Well, what we've learned after those have been out for a while is that those touch screens don't hold up. So what I really like about the Stertil Konis is they have a separate set of buttons, which seems simple, but it makes a big difference in the years to come. You know, 5 years down the road, we're not seeing any problems out of these. Where in the other sets that we've worked on, we've had a lot of issues with those. So.
Okay, we'll take one up, see what it's all about.
These are real simple. We only got 4 buttons to work with. So we got an up button, a down button, and an unlock button. In order to go up, pretty simple. We push the up button, we go up. To go down, we press the unlock button and then the down button. And we just hold that till we need to get to where we're going. If I get to a position where I feel like I'm gonna work on my vehicle, I just release that button, and then you can hear the locks close. So at this point, I just hit my button again to lower it. It sets on the locks.
So now it's safe.
It's now with jack stand. Now, there's no hydraulic pressure on the cylinders.
Nice. Alrighty, well, where can we contact you at?
Well, you can email me, tim@iaequip, or you can check us out online, iaequip.com. And we have a Facebook page. You can see that off of our website on there as well. So.
Definitely. So definitely follow us on Facebook, follow us on YouTube, and we'll be out with more content as the day goes by. So
yeah. Also, I might add, you know, if this is something that you think would be a good fit for your shop, we offer free demonstrations at your shop if you're in the Indianapolis area. So feel free to reach out to us, and we can set up a time to see how they work for you.
All right. Well, awesome, Tim. Thank you for your time.
Yep.